Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to leave a server on Discord quickly and easily. If you no longer want to be part of a server and need to leave without any hassle, we are going to guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app. You will see a list of all the servers you are currently a member of. Select the server you want to leave. Press and hold the server icon for a few seconds until a menu appears. Then, tap on More Options. Scroll down until you find Leave Server and select it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to leave. Tap Yes, and that's it. You have successfully left the server. And that's it. Now you know how to leave a server on Discord.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.